Hello friends, it's Vyacheslav Ismailov Ilezhavia again. Yeah. Today the news isn't cheerful. Summer is over. Yes, really, I'm serious. And that's really a problem because I spent my whole summer building the most powerful and coolest off-roader. Here it is. Come on guys, fix it up and make it wide. Why embarrass me? Yeah! That's it. Come on, like that. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Something's not working.
Well, $1,000, yeah. 1,000,000 rubles, yeah. Spent the whole summer, yeah.
Here it is. This is my monster truck, Grand Cherokee. It's a giant monster truck, and I spent a whole $10,000 on it. The thing is, nowadays it's impossible to make an SUV cheaper. And today I'll show you what it can do. Let's go. What's wrong? It's a minor technical issue. This is a $10,000 SUV. It's impossible to make it any cheaper. I'll start it up now. Everything will be fine. Let's go. Mechanics. Well,
You're such a fool. You spent $10,000 in the whole summer and no one even knows why.
I'm telling you, nothing can be cheaper than an SUV these days.
It's possible. I spent 2 days and $100 on this.
This...
Wow, for $100.
Seriously, what is this crap? This is just total cringe. It's literally slapped together from dirt and sticks. What kind of off-roader is this, seriously? Stop! And these wheels, they look familiar to me, like I've seen them somewhere before. Guys, write in the comments if you know where these wheels are from. Where did you get them?
Yeah, it doesn't matter. The main thing is that you're a fool. You wasted a lot of time and a lot of money on this. And this is 2 days of work, 2 days and a total of $100.
No way! So you're saying that your jalopy is the same as my monster truck? And like your $100 SUV is better than my $10,000 SUV? Of course, that's just nonsense. Let's make a bet and set up a challenge. If your SUV is as good as mine, I'll give you $1,000. But if you lose, you owe me $1,000. Deal?
No problem.
Deal! Shit. A challenge means that we should have a competitive system. Yes!
Of course, everyone.
That's right. So for the first stage, I suggest the most obvious and the coolest one. It's a race, really easy, but we won't be driving on a track. We'll be driving across open fields, since this is an off-road competition. Even easier. Well then, let's go, let's do it.
In this vehicle, safety is the top priority. First and second. Starting the engine. Starting the engine, start. Starting the engine, start. Now.
So, are you ready for the race? Come on, let's go. 3, 2, 1, go. Come on. Стык идем, стык. Что? Стой! Отлично!
Вот это рабочая лошадка! Вот это победа! Вот турборежим! $100, ребята, $100! О, вот эта с елочкой приехала.
It was. What the heck? I didn't get it at all.
This is called turbo mode. I saw it in the movie Fast & Furious.
What damn, how does that even happen? That's not fair. I demand a rematch. Well,
how is it unfair? Your car is heavy, has big expensive wheels, but it doesn't go anywhere.
And you even brought your tree over here. Are you already getting ready for New Year's or what?
I knocked down the tree because you steered on purpose. Yeah.
Now that's the machine. $100, guys. $100, 2 days of work. And watch 3 episodes of Fast & Furious and the car will be super cool. Yeah.
What are you talking about? What?
I'm talking, but it doesn't matter. What matters is it's 1-0 in my favor.
Damn! All right, I agree. Racing isn't my thing. Basically, I have a tank. It was stupid to try to compete with that light trash can on wheels, but the next thing I experienced is my element, crossing a ford. Let's go. This is the very ford that we are about to cross together. It only looks shallow and easy, but look here. This is very slippery clay and the depth here is almost knee deep in some places.
Yes.
Yeah, for my car, this is no problem at all. Come on, losers go first. Go ahead, come on.
How am I supposed to do it? It's fresh. You don't stand a chance. Yeah.
Yeah, come on, just go already.
Come on, get lost. I'll start it. I'm a real tank. Hell yeah, that's modest. I didn't turn on full-wheel drive. I'll fix it now. This goes here like this, and this goes here. Then we take this stick and put it here. This goes here, this goes here, and this goes here. Now that's more like it. That's what I understand. Now that's what I call a monster trans. Believe me, not every old jalopy can handle such a tough route, but my Cherokee can. Maybe it can, so what? Let's see who's the loser and how he handles the route. Wow. This space is really holding up. It didn't work out, got unlucky, so...
Okay, calm down.
Oh. Someone doesn't have enough power, but there's about $100 worth of power there. I tried something, but nothing worked out. It was... Editor! Whoa, yeah, well... Wow, this old wreck got out of the puddle and then went right back into it. What's up? Come on. All right. Yeah! Great, barely made it out. So, what does that mean then? Each of us gets 1 point. The score's 2-1. Let's keep going. Honestly, I don't understand what Seryoja is thinking when he says his SUV is better than mine. Wait, an SUV for $10,000 is clearly more comfortable. Here I have a leather interior. Here I have an automatic transmission, all sorts of controllers, transfer cases. I even have automatic power windows, damn it. Oh, now that's real pleasure. Definitely my SUV is much more comfortable.
Actually, I really like this car, honestly. Yeah, I don't have any windows, but I don't need them because in case of any danger, they could fly right into my face. That's why I use the mesh instead. I also have a very spacious and large trunk where you can carry building materials, tools, and even livestock.
For comfort, I have a seat belt and now an armrest. The armrest is also very comfortable.
Overall, it's really great. On such a huge Cherokee base, you could put 2 or even 3 Lepetkas. And most importantly, my off-roader is the most powerful and the most capable.
I'm sure there's no obstacle it couldn't overcome.
I also have a carbureted car, and it's very reliable. Not like UVE, electronics and automatic, a very unreliable musical car. I really like my build.
Well, that's it, by the way. Here we are. Where is he, Seryoja? Oh, there he is. Hey, wait. Are you Farron or something?
Me, by accident? Well, Seryoja, seriously? Well, damn, by accident.
Farron, do you even know how much my equipment costs?
Remember 1 million.
Do you have $1 million riding around here on your little scooter?
I have $100.
Your headlight fell off, idiot. Come on.
Bring it here, come on.
Your stinky headlight. Now we're gonna reel mud and I'll give you a punishment for this. I didn't break anything, damn it. Look, see how sturdy his body is. Is that safety, Seryoja? You can't drive like that.
It'll do for kindling.
Everyone's off to the mud. That's it. The real adventure begins. This is what you call off-roading. Yeah. Let's see what he can do with his wooden thing. Oh yeah, he almost blew it. Damn. That was pretty good. That was actually pretty good. All right, he started off well. Of course, you have to admit that, but it's gonna get a lot tougher from here. Now that's real power and strength.
Oh, nice. It's going really well.
Come on, let's see if you can do anything at all, because the mud is getting thicker and thicker with every meter. Damn, yeah, that's a mess. Now that's what I call real mud fun. Woohoo! Let's see how Seryoja handles it now. Here.
This is
Impossible.
here. It's fine.
But this is not the end of the parachute yet. There are still many switches ahead. He'll probably get stuck around here. I have a feeling. Ooh, yeah, my little car is doing great. That. Here. But anyway, I go through all these mud pits faster, more impressively, and cooler than Seryoja.
I'm going without any jerks, not like Tick and Edge go. Carefully, just driving quietly, here together, it's fine.
Did you see that? Did you see that?
I passed everything better than you, calmly and without any explosions. Also, friends, notice he's completely covered in mud, but I'm clean. Just a little here, but otherwise perfect.
Actually, I have to admit, you really surprised me with your old wreck, your stool on wheels. The route was tough. Even UAZs and vans get stuck here. But you did pretty well. And I drove through without any effort, showing off. Everything looked great, just the way I like it. But I made a mess, not because walking was hard, but because I liked it. It sucked. Honestly, I think we should both get an extra point for that.
Yeah, I think that's fair. So it's 3-2 now.
Yeah, the score is really 3-2. Not in my favor, but everything can change in the next challenge. Well, the swamp. Are we going or are you scared?
I'm not afraid of anything. This will be an easy challenge. Let's go.
He doesn't know what he's talking about. You'll need lockers to get through all that. I have them, and on both axles, but Seryoja doesn't have any.
Here's our swamp, but actually it's not exactly a swamp. The correct term is bog.
It's just an ordinary field. It's no big deal. I'll get through it. Here.
At first it seems like an ordinary field, but there's a catch. I drove through here on purpose to expose the soil and show how hard it is to get through.
This whole field, what you call an ordinary field, is actually made up of water, mud, and vegetation.
In reality, you can only get through places like this with tracked vehicles or with arched wheels. Regular tires just can't handle it.
No.
No, my car can handle anything.
Let's go check it out. Let's go. Now that's what I call a real mess. He doesn't stand a chance here. That's what I'm talking about. That's my story. Oh, yeah. Whoa, what's going on? What's up with you?
Baldy, did you stop?
I just stopped. The boy is just talking. Or maybe it's just not his level, but he's going, damn it, it's impossible, not possible. Wow, there's no way he'll get through here. He definitely can't make it here. He can't get through. Damn, I can't believe my eyes. I need to give him a tougher challenge. Boy, why are you taking the girl's path? Go down the middle, like,
Me, go down the...
middle. Come on, prove you can do it. Otherwise, I see you've made a rut for yourself here and don't go anywhere else. Go through the middle, go through that. The middle. It's really nothing at all. I can't believe my eyes. I really can't believe my eyes. How this Parentaika gets through such difficult places. These are real swamps. It's not a problem. Opa, so this is...
Nuances.
Come on, come on.
Show it.
Smoke with stabs, but he went out, and here, will he be able to get through or not? Oh, there's a steep climb here too, that's good. Will our jalopy be able to repeat it? What, where is he? Where did he go? Did he really get stuck? Ha 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 ha. It seems to be working, but he's stuck. Look, look, he's stuck. He can't move, he's stuck, he's stuck.
The most crucial moment when it seemed like everything was over, but no, apparently not.
My friend Sergey got stuck in his cheap SUV. Yes, of course the conditions are wild. The conditions are very tough. Oh damn, I stalled. Damn it. We'll finish everything now.
Well,
We should. Fixed it, he got out. What's up with you?
Are you kidding? I'm better in reverse.
It turns out, are you serious? Really? Sir. Did you get out? Damn, I'm barely moving and he just goes and drives in reverse here. So Sergey, are you going to get out of here?
Are you planning to? Not me, I'm fine here.
It's cool, let's go. More challenges await.
More challenges?
Of course.
But I believe that both you and I have passed this challenge.
And you
We're lucky. How did that?
You were lucky and nearly lost.
Yeah.
No, let's go there. We still need to get out of here.
Here.
Calm down. So you got out? Yeah, somehow you got out easily, by accident.
Got out, crawled out, barely.
Barely. Honestly, I was already thinking about coming to pull you out.
I did that illusion on purpose. Got it. I'll switch to reverse and relax.
All right.
That was just a warm-up before the swamp. This is called a bog, a real swamp. Over there, the water is up to here.
Seriosa.
At least, yeah, at least.
Waist deep, it's fine. I'm not scared. This thing can handle anything. Let's go.
Because now I'm sure I can easily get around you. There will be nothing left of your car by the time we get to Rotnaika.
So,
Let's go. Come on, come on.
hey,
Come on. Damn, it's burning everywhere. Yeah, damn, that's pretty intense. I'll probably turn on turbo mode right away. Normal, just like that. What?
Is that? Here, turbo mode is on.
It's fine, like that.
wait, what's wrong? Why?
Is the engine overheating?
Damn, what's going on? Damn, stop.
Hey!
Oh no, how did this happen? My car.
Crash! Damn! What? What happened? That's it, it exploded. Damn, yeah, you... Put it out, Olin. What are you doing there? You turned on all your turbo modes. Nice. Dominic Toretto. I had...
There were two. The first worked and...
The second one. Well, it's fine.
Well, damn, I don't know. It seems like...
Yeah, well, enough talking. Let's go to the swamp.
Idiot, nah. Yes.
Right now. So what?
Is it? Well... Damn. Well, that's it, Bear. Damn, I guess I'm not...
Going. Well, so that means I...
One. No, wait. I just didn't pass the challenge. I didn't lose it.
That's right. Well, let's do it this way. For safety, I should get at least 1 point. You don't get a point for safety because your car exploded. That ties the score at 4-4. If so, we have
A tie. Then let the guys decide.
the winner. Exactly, guys. Write your opinion in the comments. Which SUV is better, the cheap one or my expensive one? Who won this challenge, Seryoja or...
yeah.
Via. Of course, Seryoja. What else?
No, Seryoja. That's...
Cringe.
Guys, leave a like and write that I won, because all the best subscribers will write that I won. This car costs $100 and anyone can use it. And not this old wreck for 1,000,000 rubles, which takes 3 months just to
fix. Enough! I'm sure my most loyal and devoted subscribers will write in the comments that Via won. In any case, leave your likes, write any comments you want, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. This was me, Vyacheslav Ismailov, Via, and my team Life of Via. Kappa kappa ka.